that's it. It's covered. So I have 36 more to go. Hey guys, last night I didn't want it to be so long and lengthy, so what I did the night before, so yeah, I planned all of my hair how I wanted it, so the next day I could just put on the extension. I'm going to put on some soft locks. This is a bundle of 21 on each, and I have like 5 of these. I'm going to install these in my hair. Okay, so let's get to it. Is this boost edge control. That's what I use on my edges. I saw this method this girl did where when she was crocheting it, instead of doing it from the roots, she did it added in from the braids. So that's what I'm going to try today. So as you can see, I already have my hair flat. You will see a better view of it when I come more to the front, but I just want to add one on so you can see how I will be putting it on. So what she did was the loop. She opened this a little bit. Hold on, let me get it open. She opened the loop right like that. She opened the loop. She took one of the strands, put this through the strand, and continue plaiting the ends of the hair. So let me get it together. Give me 1 second. And start plaiting it in so it could stay. And then she wrapped the rest of the hair. So, let me do it again. Take it. Look it in. And then braid it in once you unsturdy it.